$100,000 in starting capital, and 20 years later, over $1 million. That's more than plus 1,300% growth with a controlled drawdown under 35% and a profit factor above 2.5. This isn't hype. These are real performance stats. Behind this equity curve is a machine learning model, a linear regression trained on historical data and connected in real time to NinjaTrader 8. And here's the key point. These results come from data the model has never seen before. No in-sample tricks, no curve fitting, just a data-driven system, tested the way it should be. This equity curve represents the cumulative net profit generated by the model, built trade after trade, year after year on unseen market data. You'll notice it's not smooth, and that's a good thing. The pullbacks reflect real market conditions, not overfitted behavior. What matters is that the curve keeps making higher highs over time, with drawdowns that stay within predefined risk limits. This is what long-term robustness actually looks like. This performance comes from a very simple but robust architecture. NinjaTrader prepares the data, a Flask API sends it to a linear regression model trained from 1999 to 2004. The model returns a score between 0 and 1, and NinjaTrader uses that score to execute the strategy. Machine learning for the signal, NinjaTrader for execution, clean, modular, and fully testable. Now that you've seen the full workflow, let's zoom in on the model itself. This chart shows its behavior during training, from 1999 to 2004. What matters here is consistency, not performance. Small fluctuations, controlled pullbacks, and a persistent upward bias. That's a statistical edge. Once training is complete, the model is frozen and only applied to unseen market data. So let's quickly look at the machine learning side. The model is a simple logistic regression, trained from 1999 to 2004. It uses a small set of features: short-term returns, volatility, trend, and RSI. Everything is standardized, trained once, then frozen. At runtime, the model outputs a single probability score between 0 and 1. Nothing else. Now on the NinjaTrader side, there's no learning at all. NinjaTrader rebuilds the same features in real time, sends them to the model through an API, and receives that probability score. From there, it's pure execution, entry filters, position sizing based on risk, and exits driven by score deterioration or volatility. The intelligence lives in the model. NinjaTrader handles execution and risk. To wrap this up, this is a complete end-to-end system, a simple machine learning model applied to unseen data, with execution and risk handled by NinjaTrader. No black box, no curve fitting. And for full transparency, the entire source code is available in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.